Right, this is the larger 300-foot roll of tree wrap. It just came wrapped in plastic, and there's a piece of tape across here that you're gonna kind of have to work off. So it's about a 7-inch roll all the way across from here to here, just under 5 inches wide. And you got about 2 inches of material on here. So pulling this stuff off reminds me of that fabric that you lay down when you don't want weeds to come up in your yard. I'm in zone 6. I'm gonna wrap that fig tree right there, because I usually don't get too unbearably cold of weather here in zone 6. It doesn't stick to itself, it's just like the fabric. So what I'm gonna do is wrap it around the tree, cable tie it gently and cut it off. Let's try it and see what happens. I'm definitely gonna put a cover on top of the tree here, so I'm probably just gonna wrap the larger portions of it closer to the ground to keep it warm, bud. So there you go, I wrapped up those 4 sections. I still have this much left, quite a bit left. I eventually ended up cutting it into strips and just, you know, using the strips, it's easier to wrap around. Still got a ways to go, but just wanted to show you what it looks like. This tree's 3 to 4 foot tall in some of the sections, so there you go, works good.